For millions of years, the Megalodon ruled the ocean unchallenged, but today it meets a 60-foot predatory whale built like a battering ram.
This was the Livyatan, a predator with the intelligence of a mammal and the most devastating bite in the ancient sea. For the first time, the absolute king of the ocean was staring at its equal. Megalodon versus Livyatan, the greatest battle the oceans have ever seen.
Named after the biblical Leviathan, this creature was a predatory sperm whale, 60 feet of raw, intelligent, hunting power.
Unlike the modern sperm whale, which has teeth only on its lower jaw, the Livyatan had enormous teeth on both jaws, the exact size of a standard bowling pin.
Those teeth were not designed for slicing, they were built for gripping, locking on, and never letting go. A fundamentally different weapon than the Megalodon.
Its skull was reinforced like a battering ram. The Livyatan could generate incredible force with a single head-first charge. But the Livyatan had one weapon the Megalodon could never match: intelligence. As a mammal, its brain was vastly larger and more complex.
It could echolocate, mapping the ocean in 3 dimensions. It knew exactly where the Megalodon was at all times. The shark had no such advantage. The Livyatan hunted the exact same prey as the Megalodon. Ancient whales, giant sea turtles, large fish, the same rich feeding grounds. 2 apex predators, both hunting the same prey in the same waters. A collision was inevitable. When both predators arrived at the same hunting ground at the same time, the prey scattered, and the 2 titans were left staring at each other. The Livyatan scanned its opponent with echolocation. It knew the Megalodon's exact size, speed, and position. The shark was hunting blind by comparison. 2 titans, 1 ocean. This was inevitable. Who wins this clash? Let me know in the comments below.
The Megalodon struck first. A devastating lateral charge, its jaws targeting the Livyatan's exposed flank.
Those 40,000-pound jaws clamped down on thick blubber and muscle. The Megalodon's serrated teeth were designed to shear through flesh in a single, rapid motion.
But the Livyatan was not a passive victim. It counterattacked with the only weapon that could match those jaws: its skull. The impact was staggering. A 60-ton battering ram, traveling at full speed, connecting with the shark's massive flank.
But the Megalodon did not retreat. 40 million years of apex predator instinct would not allow surrender. They circled each other, each looking for an opening. The shark relied on speed and bite force. The whale relied on intelligence and brute ramming power.
The final exchange was catastrophic. 2 60-foot predators locked in a collision of biological force that shook the ancient ocean. And then, silence. Both titans drifted apart. Neither had claimed victory. Neither had fallen.
In reality, scientists believe encounters like this rarely ended in a clear winner. Both predators were simply too powerful, too dangerous to risk a prolonged fight. The cost of fighting was simply too high. A serious injury in the Miocene ocean meant a slow and certain end. Both predators understood this. They coexisted for millions of years. Not as allies, but as reluctant neighbors, each commanding their own domain within the same vast ocean.
The shark had the stronger bite and the greater speed. The whale had the larger brain and the tactical advantage. In the end, the ocean was big enough for both.
For millions of years, these 2 titans shared the ancient seas. The most powerful shark and the most powerful whale in Earth's history, bound to...
But what would happen if this 60-foot predator were somehow transported to the modern world? Could it survive in today's oceans? 2 kings, 1 ocean, no clear winner. If this battle has you hooked, make sure to subscribe for the next episode.
But time was not kind to either titan. The oceans changed. The world changed. And only one question remains.
Could the Megalodon survive in the modern ocean? Find out next time. Two titans, one ocean, no clear winner. Hit subscribe, leave a like, and click the videos on your screen to continue the prehistoric journey.